everyone. Today I want to talk about something that touches all our lives. The connection between society and technology. In our modern world, technology is everywhere and shape how we live, work, and interact with each other. But how can we ensure that this connection benefits everyone? Hmm. Let's start by thinking about our daily routines. We wake up to our smartphones, check the news online, and connect with friends through social media. Technology makes our life easier and more convenient. It helps us to inform and connected, but it also brings challenges. Sometimes we can feel overwhelmed or even lonely despite being constantly connected. The constant influx of information can lead to decision fatigue, and the pressure to maintain an online presence can be exhausted. One of the most amazing about technology is its ability to connect us. It allows to share ideas, support each other, and create communities. For example, during the pandemic, many people turned to online platforms to stay in touch with loved ones and to find support. This shows us that connection can be powerful to build relationships. However, we must also mindful to be quality of those connections. Virtual interaction can sometimes lack of depth and authenticity of face-to-face face-to-face connection. However, not everyone has the same access to technology. This is digital divide that leaves someone people behind. This gap can lead to inequality in education, job opportunities, and lack of information. It support um it support for us to work together to ensure that everyone has tools need to thrive in a digital world. Initiatives such as community internet programs, affordable technology access, and digital literacy training can help bridge this gap. By investing in these areas, we can create a more equitable society. We also have the opportunities to use technology for positive change. Think about how social media has helped raise awareness for important issues from climate change to social justice. When we harness technology for good, we can amplify voices that need to be heard and create movement that inspire action. Additionally, technology can facilitate innovate solutions to pressing global challenges, such as such as using data analytics to improve healthcare outcomes or leveraging artificial intelligence to address climate change. As we look to the future, let's imagine how world where technology brings us closer together. A world where everyone has access to internet, where online learning is available to all, and where technology is designed with empathy and inclusively in mind. Um, this future can we can we create if we work together? We must advocate for policies that promote digital equality and support initiatives that prioritize the ethical technology development. Education play a crucial role in shaping our relationship with technology by integrating technology education into school curriculums. We can empower future generations to navigate the digital landscape responsibly, teaching critical thinking skills, digital literacy, and ethical consideration. We will prepare students to use technology thoughtfully and creatively. The connection between society and technology is powerful. It can bring us together or push us apart. It's up to us to choose how we use it. Let's commit to build a future where technology enhances our connections, empowers our communities, and creates opportunities for everyone. Together, we can foster a society that embraces innovation while prioritizing human values. That's all. Thank you.